Welcome everybody, and in this class we are gonna review everything that we have already studied in the previous classes. Let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna read and write some sentences and I'm gonna explain every single detail about the rules. The first sentence is سلكت طريقا مستقيما. سلكت طريقا مستقيما. سلكت طريقا مستقيما. Let's check. سلكت س لا سلا سلك. So we have here kaf with sukun. So what does it mean? It means I have to pause here. سلك again. سلك سلكت سلكت. So we have this word. How many syllables are here? We have 1, 2, 3. So in the first syllable we have one letter, se. In the last syllable we have one letter, tu. However, in the middle here in this syllable we have two letters. Why? Because we have sukun on this letter. When we have sukun, we must connect this letter to the previous one and we pronounce both of them in the same syllable. We have to pronounce both of them together. So that's why we say lek. I don't say lek or lek. No, it is lek. سلكت. Sa, we have here fatha, sa. La, we have fatha, la. Tu, we have dhamma, tu. سلكت. طريقا. طري. And then we have طري, long vowel. Yeah, طري. So pay attention to the difference. Pay attention. Here, when I just say ri, it's a short vowel. Ri. And when I have long vowel, it will be ri. طري. قن. We have here the sound of noon in the end of the word. قن. But we are not gonna write it. It is just the sound. Why? Because we have tanween بالفتح. قن. Let's write قن. How it will be? It will be like this. We have qa. Another one. qa. قن. We are gonna add this alif. Now we have here tanween بالفتح. What's tanween بالفتحة? Is when the last letter has double fathas followed by alif, like this. This is tanween بالفتح. Pay attention, I'm gonna add a new detail here. This word without tanween بالفتحة, it is like this. طري. طريق. So this is the word without tanween بالفتحة. That's why I say we're gonna find the double fatha on the last letter of the word followed by alif, because originally qaf is the last letter of the word, as you see here. طريق. Okay, so here it is طريقا with tanween بالفتحة. If I add double dhamma here, it will be طريق. If I remove it and I add double kasras, so it will be طريق. So the same word could be with the tanween بالفتحة or kasra or dhamma, depends on the position in the sentence. If it is after a preposition, if it is a subject, if it is an object, this is the point. سلكت طريقا مستقيما مستقيما مو مو مس مس مست مستقي مستقي قي مستقي long vowel yeah مستقي من again we have here what we have تنوين بالفتحة من. So let's check the syllables. Mus, in the first syllable we have two letters because we have sukun here. We must connect this letter to the previous one in the same syllable and we pronounce both of them together. Mus, ta, and then qi. We have long vowel ya. We have two letters in these syllables. Why? Because we have long vowel ya and we must connect the long vowel ya with the previous letter in the same syllable. And the previous letter must be with kasrah. So that's why we have here long vowel ya. Qi, qi, and then man. Don't forget we have the sound of noon here, just the sound. We don't write the noon. Let's read the sentence one more time. سلكت طريقا مستقيما سلكت طريقا مستقيما. رأيت عصفورا في قفص. رأيت عصفورا في قفص. رأيت را أي again we have سكون. رأيت عصفورا. We have here long vowel wow. Pay attention. عصفورا. عصفو long vowel wow. عصفو. run again long تنوين بالفتحة. run عصفورا. رأيت عصفورا في قفص. في long vowel يا. في قفص. قا صن تنوين بالكسر. رأيت two letters in the syllable because we have سكون. عصفورا two letters in the syllable because we have سكون. Two letters in the syllable because we have long vowel wow and it must get connected to the previous letter and we pronounce both of them in the same syllable and the previous letter must be with dhamma. fu عصفو run and in the end we have run which is tanween bil fatha. Fi, it is one word and one syllable because here this is a long vowel ya. Fi qafasin tanween bil kasra. We must add the sound of noon to the end of the word. qafasin. ركبت في قطار سريع. ركبت را راكي راكب تو راكبت في قطار قي طا. قطار تنوين بالكسرة. سريع سريع. س ري ريت long vowel ياء عين تنوين بالكسرة. One more time. Okay, let's see here. We have long vowel alif, and that's why we have two letters in this syllable, and the previous letter must be with fatha, the one that comes before the long vowel alif. قطار قطار. ركبت في قطار سريع. Thank you everybody, and see you in another video.